Hello, dear children. Welcome back to Uma Talks. And here I am with a sample question paper for class 10th. That is term 2, 21-22. The board has already released, and today I'm getting it for you. So maximum marks is 40, and time you will get 2 hours. Okay. And here I'm reading out the instructions. All the questions are compulsory, and this question paper will have 3 sections, total of 15 questions. Okay, section A will have 7 questions of 2 marks, B will have 6 questions of 3 marks, and section C will have 2 case-based questions of 4 marks each. Okay, internal choices will be given. Now, as you see, section A, the table shows the electronic structures of 4 elements. It is given. PQRS, electronic structures are given. Okay. Identify which elements will form covalent bonds with carbon. 2 marks it is. Carbon reacts with an element in the above table to form several compounds. Give suitable reason. Okay. This is the second question again. The diagram shows part of the periodic table, children. You must be very thorough. Now, if I don't read out the question paper, how will they understand? It will be just for 1 mark. So this is 2 marks questions. As you can see, chemistry. Next, we come to biology, the third question. And this is related to reproduction chapter. Okay. As you see, again, A and B questions. Here, in all the questions, it is A and B subparts, and each will contain 1 mark. 2 marks are there. Next, we go to the fourth question. Okay, the same over here. Okay, as you can see, yes, name the organism responsible for this, and sexual, again question from biology, and then again you have question from biology only. So third, fourth, fifth question from bio, 2 marks each. Okay, and when we come to the sixth question, it is from physics. Motor, simple motor is made in the school laboratory. And just see the question, children. I'll be posting the answers also, so just try to do it yourself, and then you can check it. Yes. So there's a choice for sixth question. Question from physics only. Magnet, yeah. Solenoid. Same as before. 2 questions will be asked, A and B. Let us go to the next question. Yes, we come to 7th question, which is again for 2 marks. This is the last question among section A, I feel. So DDT, the question related to DDT, as you all must have studied. Okay, accumulation of DDT. So you can see this. Yeah. How it gets accumulated, how harmful it is. Yeah, producers, consumers, decomposers. Then we come to section B with 3 marks questions. And again, the first question is from chemistry, which is from periodic table. And second is also from chemistry. 8th and 9th question is from chemistry. 9th, you see, there is a option, okay, for 9th question. And here you have 3 questions to be asked, and then you have 3 marks for these questions. 10th is from biology, that is genetics, heredity. Okay, 9:3:3:1 wala ratio hai. So just check it, don't leave anything. This is also for 3 marks. And then again we come to electricity board. Yes, this is physics. 11th question is from physics, which is again for 3 marks, and 12th is also physics. Yeah. Circuit, parallel and series connection. And yeah, they ask you total resistance of the circuit and total current. So you cannot leave anything. This will definitely help you to prepare for your exams. Plus pre-boards and whatever exams will be held in the school. 13th again is gases found in the upper layers of the atmosphere is deadly poison. Essential for all living beings, the amount of this gas started declining sharply in the 1980s. Yeah, atmosphere, biology. Again, we come to section C, which is 4 marks questions, case-based questions. Only 2 questions you have over here. So as you can see, this is a case-based question as we had it in term 1 also, but here we have only 2. So Sahil performed an experiment to study the inheritance pattern of gene and crossed tall pea plants. Okay, again from heredity, you'll have to be thorough, children. And there's a choice over here. And then we come to 15th question, and that is from physics. Okay, so this is all as we have it for today. Only 15 questions are there in the boards. So you'll have to be thorough and try answering these questions. So I'll be posting this first, and just the very next day, I'll be posting the answers to all the questions. That is the sample paper which is released by the board. So do practice it so that you also know that how it is. So all the best, prepare well. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.